When we looked at our heating and cooling when I came here in 2010, we just had a lot of problems, a lot of maintenance that just was pushed off, and we needed somebody to come in and make an investment with us.
They provide us obviously with the basic services for our HVAC and heating all across our campuses and our school board office. Biggest part, I think asset, I would say the Star Service provides is our preventative maintenance. They're not here just to fix things as they break, they're here to prevent those breaks or those malfunctions in our equipment and keep our schools and facilities running at top notch.
It's a strategic way of doing it so you don't have these gyrations in your budget, and it's really a long-term view that with each year you're getting better and better without doing harm to your budget, because stability in a budget is everything. Having a fixed cost a contract like we have with Star takes into account of all of those things. Star is very analytical. They're going to go in and make sure A, that your equipment's efficient by their standards, and then B, they're going to come back and fix anything that needs to be fixed, and then C, they're going to show you in reporting, they're going to look at how much is your machinery operating and what that cost is. And it's great to come in and see, hey, you know, we saved $40,000 on electricity costs by just fine tuning.
With Star, this is a long-term relationship. This isn't just a regular contractor that comes in the door. This is a company that wants to come in and build a relationship with you, with your staff members, and with the administration. When they come in the door, they're putting their foot in the door to be there long-term, to assist you in all your HVAC needs, and make sure that you can set yourselves up to be successful.